Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you two methods how to turn on or turn off noise cancellation on your HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. Okay, so the first method will be in the HUAWEI AI Live application. You have to open this charging case and then select your device. Right now we can find the noise control panel, so we can turn on noise cancellation or awareness mode. When you go for the noise cancellation, for example, you can just change mode of it. So 3 presets, Cozy, General and Ultra. You can decide which one you want to set. Of course, the Ultra, with the Ultra you will get the best noise cancellation. And also there's second method. You can go for the gestures, then go for the press and a hold, find the left or right earbud, and as you can see it's linked to the noise control. So right now when we press and hold left or the right, we can switch between the modes. So let me show you how it works. As you can see right now we are on the noise cancellation. You have to tap in this place, that's the touch control panel. As you can see we switch to the awareness. When click and hold in our time we will turn it off, and click and hold in our time and we are going to activate the noise cancellation. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.